Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I want to try something different and I want to show you guys how to draw an Among Us crewmate skin, but I want it to be a Mothra skin. So I hope you guys enjoy this. Now, to start off with this, we're going to begin with the face shield. So I'm going to start here and I'm just going to draw a line that's going to go over. It's going to curve down and come back like this. And then it's just going to have a little line that goes down to connect them. Next, starting right up here, I'm going to make a line that goes up and then it's going to come over. So I'm going to start right here and I'm going to draw a line that goes up. It's going to come over. Then I'm just going to make this line go down like this. Now, starting over here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down. Then we're going to make a little line that goes over and up. Then starting here, we're going to go over. Then you just go down and over, and you want to connect it right there. Now, starting here, we're going to add the little pack. So we're going to draw a little line that goes over. It's going to go down and then come right back towards the body. Now, we want to add some details to kind of turn this into a Mothra skin. So to start off with this, I'm going to start right up here and I'm going to make a line that goes up. It's going to curve down and back. And then we'll draw a little line down here for an antenna. Right here, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to go up, down, and then bring it back. And then just a little line that goes down. Right here, I'm going to draw a little line that goes out and comes back. And then one more here. Then I want to do the same thing here. Go out and come back. And then one more right there. Now, on the ends of these, I'm going to add a little line that goes out. It's going to curl around and then come back here for like the little feet. So go out and in, out, and then come back. Do the same thing here. And then same thing here. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a little line that goes right in between all these and down to here. And then I'm going to do the same thing over here. Next, I want to draw the wings. So I'm going to start right here by the top of the pack, and I'm going to draw a line that goes out, up at kind of like a curve. Then I'm going to bring it down and then over to here. Then right here, I'm going to go out at an angle and then curl it around here. I'm going to do the same thing over here. I'm going to draw a line that goes out at an angle. I'm going to bring it down to here. And then I'm going to make a line that goes out, and then I'm just going to curl it back. Next, we want to add a few details on the wings. I'm going to start up here, and I'm just going to draw a line that just kind of traces right around the edge here. And I'm going to do the same thing up on this side. We're just going to go right around the edge. I'm going to make a little line that goes down and up on each side. And I'm going to put a big circle inside of each one, or oval, I should say. I want to make a couple little stripes in here. And then a couple more here. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes up and down, and then like this. And we'll do the same thing here on this one. Then starting up here, I'm just going to add 2 little lines that go up here. And there you go. There is your drawing of an Among Us crewmate in a Mothra skin. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.